Alright, what we're doing here is we're gonna make sulfuric acid with everyday things you can get at home. This right here is water. This right here is potassium sulfate, and this is just some shot that goes in your smoke pool, which is chlorine. We're going to use electrolysis to start the process. All right. First, I'm going to put the water in. About halfway, leave it over. Just a little too hard. All right, 1 tablespoon of the potassium sulfate. About 1 tablespoon. Oh yeah, I want to make a mess too. With this, with the top of the basic taurine. Now, this is just a regular iron bolt. You put it at the bottom. This is just a copper wire. Put it at the top. Try to make sure they don't touch. It's kind of cloudy down there. If you look real close, there's a reaction happening. It's a very small reaction, but when it starts to clear up, that reaction will, you'll see it'll be starting to it turns dark yellow. That will be the sulfuric acid starting to leach out of the chlorine. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and add some more water. Get this a little bit on top. Don't try to none of this at home. This is just something that we know what we're doing with this. This isn't for children to play with. Sulfuric acid is a very dangerous acid. It can get on your skin and can burn you very bad. So just sit back and just watch, and just if you do try it at home, at least look into the chemicals. Look and see what you need. See what I'm doing. Pay attention. But this can hurt you. Alright. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's done. Cause I got it cleaned out yet. So I'm letting it cool off. The glass got hot. What I'm gonna do to check it, I'm just gonna throw this little piece of aluminum from inside here. And that way you test it, check it to see if it's sulfuric acid. Okay, this is after missing about 4 or 5 hours. I put a piece of aluminum in right here, and sulfuric acid was in there, and of course you can see it ate it up. Not a very high quantity, the quality of it. There you can tell. They're eating it up pretty good. Anyway, that's my little thing on sulfuric acid. I can go into more detail later, but right now I'm just put a little science on you. Just don't try this at home. All right. If you like my, you want more videos like this, I'm gonna bring some more. But I mean, I'm gonna need somebody to, if you like it, subscribe, click the little bell, and you'll get updates. New videos every time I come out with something. Hell, leave a comment, tell me what's up. All right, Steve, Jason, Dark Science Project, experiments.